let's unbox the only thing I have ordered from Amazon, Great Indian Festival. Not sure how the lighting is. Let's go. I have few plans for future videos. Let's see how mic is. So, the moment of truth, Solocast from mike-Hyperx. Let's see what else is there inside the box. This is the packaging, this is the bell. I'll just show the price here. Yeah, this is the price which I got the mic. Nothing else in the box. Let's open the box. Okay. It has USB Type-C to Type-A cable. Mic is heavy. Build quality is very good. I'll have to check the functionality and the quality. Right now I'm shooting on iPhone, so can't connect this one. I don't think there is 3.5mm jack as well. Okay, so this goes in here and I'll have to plug it to my laptop. Comes with a manual. I might need to read this because I am using condenser mic for the first time. This is basically the tap to mute sensor. Then this is the LED. This is alignment guide. This is microphone stand, and if this is a stand, then this microphone can be removed from this stand. Yeah, you can get it out. So this is the stand. This is the microphone. We can connect to the arm, which I'll have to buy separately. And what else is there? This is a Type-C port. And then last thing is this cable, Type-C to Type-A USB cable, which comes with it. Nothing else. So I checked on Amazon. The current original price is somewhere around 13,000 plus. I got this at 3,590 rupees, so I'm pretty happy with the deal. Thank you, Amazon, for this sale. Been waiting for long to buy one of these microphones. So let's test how it sounds exactly. I'm using the default app on Windows 10, voice recorder app. So let's go. Hi, this is the test for HyperX Solocast, and now I'll try to mute it in between. So now it's muted, so it's not recording anything here. Now I pressed it again, so it's not a button, it's a sensor. So now it's recording it again. The light blinks when it's muted, and when I tap here, it will stop blinking. I'm happy with the quality. The build quality is good, the packaging is good. That's it with the unboxing. The cost is 7,527, but then I got it at 3,590 in the Amazon Great Indian Festival. Let's keep it inside. Thank you for watching.